It's art day, and we're going to do a little something different. I'm mixing ultramarine with vermilion. It comes up with a really neat looking type of burgundy color. And I already pre-drew out my hearts to save some time for the video. And we're just going to have fun with it. Instead of actually coloring the hearts on a white page, I decided to play with the negative space and put the coloring around the white hearts. And as you're going to see, we're going to build this out and just keep layering and layering. So it's going to go from like dark to light, depending on how much water is in the brush. And by the way, this is watercolors. And I'm only going to use a little bit of the gold metallic pen, the gel pen, towards the end. And you'll see what I do with that. But yeah, we're just being loose. We're having fun. And I just wanted to start going around the hearts first to give it that sort of structure. And as you can see, it's getting really fun where you can just keep building on it and pushing the shapes out to the edge of the paper. And I actually forgot to put the tape around the edges, but I'm not mad at it. I think it turned out pretty cool that I didn't tape the edges. As you can see, like this is really coming out pretty neat. And honestly, this was not on my brain before I started this video. I was going to do something a little different with how I was going to fill in the background paint. But as they say, I don't know, spirit led me in a different direction. So here we go. We got it all filled in. Just putting the finishing touches on it. Woo, excuse me. All right. What do I got here? So I sprayed some water to loosen it up. And that in my hand is what they call, a scraper, a putty scraper. I mean, I just bought this at the dollar store. Yeah, it's just a putty scraper. And I put the streaks across a couple of the hearts to bring in some of the color. And right now I'm testing it. I'm trying to dry it out a bit, move around the edges. And see, after I squirted the water on there, it brought the colors out more and the layers. I thought it was really cool. And now I'm able to actually add the gold metallic gel marker. Just want to do, 3 of them. Nothing big. I wanted to leave the white on most of them. And there you go. Simple. You can do this too. So by all means, get your watercolors out and try this. Super fun. Just putting the finishing touches on it. Hey, if you'd like to own a copy of this as a downloadable print, by all means, click the link in the bio, or own a piece of this as fabric for a tablecloth or anything else you would like to do with your home for home decor. Link in the bio for that as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And hey, check out this next video. Ciao.